Solve division with remainders by circling. Hi, Greenie. Today, we're solving division with remainders by circling. It's super easy. Just 3 simple steps. Make dots, circle groups, and count.
Ooh, sounds fun. Show me how.
Let's start with 11 divided by 5. Step 1. Make 11 dots. Go ahead.
Okay, make 11 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Done! What's next?
Step 2. Circle groups of 5.
All right. Circling. 1 group of 5. And another group of 5. Oh, there's 1 dot left outside. What should I do with it?
Don't worry. That little dot just sits there. It's the remainder. Now, let's move to step 3. Count. How many circles are there?
2.
Great! And how many dots are left outside the circles?
Just 1.
Exactly. So we write it as 11 divided by 5 equals 2 remainder 1. Alright, let's try another one together. This time, let's do 14 divided by 3. Ready?
Yep, let's go. Step 1. Make 14 dots. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Done!
Great start! What's next?
Circle groups of 3. Oh! There are 2 dots left over.
Awesome! And then?
Count! 4 circles and 2 dots outside. So, 14 divided by 3 equals 4 remainder 2.
Great job! Now, try it on your own. 9 divided by 2.
9 divided by 2 equals 4 remainder 1.
Awesome! Next, 17 divided by 4.
17 divided by 4 equals 4 remainder 1.
Great! Next, 8 divided by 5.
8 divided by 5 equals 1 remainder 3.
Nice work! Next, 13 divided by 2.
13 divided by 2 equals 6 remainder 1.
Fantastic! Next, 11 divided by 4.
11 divided by 4 equals 2 remainder 3.
Well done! Last question. 23 divided by 5.
23 3 divided by 5 equals 4 remainder 3.
You're doing great! Next time, we'll solve division with remainders using skip counting.
Hi everyone! How did you do with division today? I hope you had a fantastic time. More division fun is waiting for us. See you soon!